Reading with Val.
Hi guys, my name is Valerie. Today I am going to be reviewing to you this amazing book called Hot Cocoa Hearts. It is by Suzanne Nelson, and it is part of the Wish series, and there are, I think, 7 in them, and they all have to do with baking sweets and treats and baking food in general. I would rate this book a 10 out of 10. In this book, Emery is in middle school, I think, and it is Christmas time in this book, and she does not like Christmas time. Her grandma died before it was her 9th Christmas, and that kind of made her not believe anymore that Santa was real, and she didn't really believe in Christmas anymore. But her family is super big on Christmas. They decorate their house so much, and they work at the mall, and her dad dresses up as Santa, and she dresses up as Emery the elf. And in this book, she has to deal with new crushes and also know how to balance that with her friends. When her class starts doing Secret Santa at school, she is kind of wrapped up in the midst of things, and her friend told her that the Secret Santa for her was her crush, and he had been giving Emery all the things that she really liked, but she finds out that Alex has been helping Emery's Secret Santa do it all along, pick the gifts and presents all along. And Alex is a boy that Emery met at the mall, and he works for Cocoa Chocolate Cravings, I think, and it's a hot chocolate store, and they sell so many different kinds of hot chocolate. And Alex and Emery, they start to bond over so many things. Alex is super into Christmas, but Emery's not, and so Alex tries to make Emery feel happier about Christmas. And Emery is starting to think that Alex might be her crush, and that she needs to look at the world at a different perspective now that she thinks of that. And a really kind of important thing in her life right now is to balance the time that she's spending with her friends and her crushes. And I think that time management is a really important part in this book, and that she needs to kind of regroup her mind and think about who she actually wants to spend time with and who she likes to spend time with, and not just like people who she feels uncomfortable with. She is still learning. She's in middle school, so that's a couple grades older than me, and I think that she's still trying to kind of learn more about her family community, and I think that if she really keeps on working on who she wants to be with, then she'll have a really great community, and she'll have great people to be around. My favorite character in this book is Alex, because he has a mission, and his mission is to make Emery like Christmas more and make her feel happy about her life. And so he is a super supporting character in this book. My favorite part in this book is when Alex and Emery first meet, and I like that part because they do not like each other that much, but then over the course of the book, they really are really great friends, and they sort of bond with each other. I would recommend this book to kids between the ages 9 through 12. This book is about relationships and how to maintain them and how to make new friends. I really can't wait to read the rest of the series. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye!